implement storages for our storing our crops. Now, when we are investing 6 crore rupees in crop production, that means that we'll have lesser production. With increase in our profit, will increase our godowns.
From where we...
Sir, I hope you got the answer. No, any other question for Team D? Yes, sir, please.
Sir, your organization is focusing on already the most fertile lands in of India. So, if you are talking about making them, more productive, that you cannot do because they are already the most fertile lands of India, and the nearby villages and the areas nearby to them are already well developed. What about the lands which are underdeveloped? Like, what about Rajasthan? What about Chhattisgarh? What about Gujarat? What about the places where there are very less fertile lands? You should be
See, I got your point, but I have mentioned this thing in the long-term viability. We will expand the area of operation in the future in states like AP, that is Arunachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, as well, Tamil Nadu as well. And what you are talking about is that it is already in action, like a lot of crops are grown out there. Let me make myself very clear. To minimize crop wastage, as I said, is one of the challenges. India is facing the crop wastage, and that to a very good extent. That is 55,650 crore. You cannot get into, if you are good at something, it doesn't mean that you have to stop that, right? I have to improve it in order to improve the GDP of the country.
Sir, I hope you got the answer.
As I said, this is a long-term viability. We will go to the different places as our business expand.
Please, I request you. We are running out of time. So, last question from Team C to Team D.
I'd like to notify you, first of all, the crop wastage means on the national stat is because of government governance. Means they are not taking care of their storage grounds properly. Point number one, sir. Point number two, the Hooghly basin, that is Ganga ranges that we are referring about, sir, has adequate amount of rainfall. Means we have done a lot of research on that, and they have adequate amount of rainfall, and the facilities like drip irrigation and plant irrigation is already available in that region. So there is no point of providing them more facilities. Second, sir, let me finish, sir, please. Second point is, sir, the area you are talking about is densely populated. That is why, sir, the productivity compared to per capita is less. That is why farmer suicides are happening. That is what you notified us in prelims. So the thing is, sir, the suicides are not because of fertility of the land. It is because of higher population in that region. That is second in all over India.
See, what you are talking about
Anyone
is
is
that crop
interested to
irrigation,
ask
that
any
is
question
micro
from
irrigation, is already implemented. I think you are wrong totally, because it is not implemented in the Ganges Delta, and the amount of crop that is wasted is more than 20%. I am giving the technology in order to improve the yield. You should understand that. Right?
Okay, thank you so much for the replies. Okay, so now we are moving toward the audience. Is there any question for any of the team? Okay, yes, here is the first question. For which team?
Team A.
Okay, Team A, please be ready.
What if the NGO and the government doesn't allow you to make your industry or NGO in those villages? What if it doesn't allow you? What will you do for that?
Thank you for the question, sir. Sir, in regards with that problem, sir, we are getting our money from two places. One is the NGO funding. Now, your question comes into the picture. What if the NGOs refuse to fund us? So the second thing was we will collaborate with the MNCs, not with the government, sir. We do not have anything to do with the government. We are doing it in terms of NGOs. Now, secondly, when we collaborate with the MNCs, so the second sector we talked about, the trade sector, where we will literate the people in terms of certain skills. For example, textiles, handicraft. So we will provide them employment opportunities from these MNCs, which was the whole idea of the uniqueness, that is collaborating MNCs with the rural areas. So with that, we will take 20% of the brokerage fee of the salary for our viability and sustenance.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such a nice reply. Raghav, you are getting a chocolate for the question. Thanks. I said yes. Only a single. Thank you. Any other question? Yes, Tarun.
Come.
Yeah, my question is also for the...
Sir, please let him ask the question. We are willing to answer.
Any other question for the other team, other than A? Please, question. Yeah.
Okay, sir, your question.
You better ask from team A.
Not possible. Divya, Mike.
My question is